Hi guys, it's me again. Okay, so I've been watching over a dozen videos of string painting, and I thought it was really cool, and I thought maybe I could do it. Looks easy. Yeah, no, not easy. I've been I watched a lot of them actually, over a dozen, and it took me 10 tries, but I finally got it. This is what my result came. This was my 10th try. Yes, my 10th try. So what you're gonna need is, you're gonna need just scrap wood. I put newspaper over it because I don't want paint to drip. You're gonna need your paint, whatever colors paint you want. I have these here. These were my leftover paint from the previous painting I did. You're gonna need your staple gun. You're gonna need your Floetrol. This Floetrol, I got it from Lowe's for $14. You can get it from Amazon for like $6 or $7, but that's for 1 quart. And this is 4 quarts, so kind of save money. $14, 4 quarts, and opposed to $6 for 1 quart. And I was just too lazy to, I was impatient to wait for Amazon to ship it, so I went to Lowe's. You're also gonna need a cup for your paint. You're gonna need your yarn. You can just get cheapy yarn from Walmart, not too thick and not too thin. You're gonna need a paintbrush, something to hold the yarn and scrape paint off, so I'm using this. You're gonna need your scissors to cut your yarn, and I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yes, and you're gonna need push pins, okay? I put push pins at the bottom of my canvas, because when you're sitting it to dry, you want it to stand, and opposed to standing it on newspaper, then once it's dry, it's stuck on newspaper, and it's disgusting and it looks ugly. So let's get started. What you're gonna do is, you're gonna get your Floetrol. I'm gonna move this over for now. You're gonna get your Floetrol, shake it up. You're gonna get your white paint, because my base is gonna be white. Now, there's not really a technique to this. It's almost, you have to almost go by feel, okay? And I'm gonna fill this up to, I'm gonna fill it up. Oh, by the way, my canvas is an 8 by 11, so I don't need much paint. I'm gonna fill it up to, if you split 1/4 of a cup into 3, you're gonna, that's how much you need for paint. I'm gonna fill up my Floetrol. So all together, my paint and the Floetrol should equal to 1/4 cup, okay? More paint than Floetrol. I'm gonna pour it in there. And I kinda want a little over, but that's okay. We'll just add more paint if it's not. Okay guys, so now we're gonna pour our paint onto our canvas. Make sure the paint is, I don't know if I mentioned, but this is an 8 by 11 canvas. And there we go. So make sure your base coat is not too thick. So this is what you don't want to do. This is what some of the painters do. They do this. All they do is this. And then you end up with a goop of paint. I did that. Not good, guys. You need to make sure you have a thin layer base and not a whole bunch of paint on your string, because then it's gonna be a goopy mess. Here is the trick, okay? At least this is how I figured it out. You dip your string in the paint, and I'm holding it against a cup. I'm not pressing. I'm literally just holding it against the cup and letting the paint scrape off on its own. I'm gonna try and put it right there. There we go, guys. go. It wasn't long enough. I didn't put enough paint, so hopefully that works. All right, here we go. Staple it down. I actually think the green one might have too much, so it might be kind of goopy, but I hope I'm wrong. Because of it being so loopy. But let's see. Okay, so here we go. I don't know how I want to hold it. I think I want to hold it like this to keep the string over here from going to the corner. So here we go. And the red one I didn't staple down, so I'm gonna have to. This is totally fine. It came out kind of stinking cool, guys.
The green one looks cool.
Let's hammer it down, staple it down. Yeah, let's hammer the string down. Okay, ready? Again. Okay, guys, so I can tell I used too much paint on the yellow, but for the most part, it came out pretty darn good. Make sure your base paint is more paint than Floetrol. Make sure your consistency is a consistency of like Elmer's glue. And when you're scraping the paint off your string, make sure your string hardly has any paint on it. I'm gonna show it to you one more time. Not too bad. I'm kind of disappointed with the yellow one, but I think it looks pretty cool. So yeah, if you have any pointers for me, let me know. Next video I'm going to do is a baby blanket. So keep, I guess just give me a thumbs up if you like this video, if this helped you at all. If you have any questions, comment down below. And I hope I see you guys soon, okay? Bye!